Juicy and yummy. Yum. Cheers again. The cameraman is now feeling, keep some for me. I said, wait, gotta show you all more. Enjoy the snail with me. Like and comment. Subscribe to my channels, and then you can enjoy more food that organic we can make. I just got stuck. They block all my way, so many of them, so I can't drive. If I start my engine, they might scared of the noise, and then they were jumping around, but I wait for all of them to go over, and then we can start riding again. Yay. Just to keep my promise from the last video that we made, we were saying about the snail. So today we're going to catch some snail and start cooking them as the local popular dish. Here, you see, if you want to have a look for all of those big snails, in the deeper water, they are right there. So we can tell by the snail eggs. You see the snail eggs? They're laying eggs on the grass like this in the deeper water. So all of those in this area, you can guess that those big ones are here. So we can get the snail very easily everywhere in the water, in the rice paddy, but we want to get a big one for the cooking show today. Let's start catching. See this? They're here. So this big enough. I'm gonna keep them. Also big enough. This is too small. Keep them back. It's easy like that. The food. I think I stepped on something. Hope it's not a turtle. Wow. Big one. Hope they're not in the breeding. They're not breeding right now. So these are big enough. Two more. Out. Oh, one more. Here. One more. Actually, there's a lot here, eh? One more, fresh and young. They just like grown up. Wow! God, I thought that far away. They just right here. I think right here some as well. Small one. Not gonna get them. This big enough. Gonna keep them. In a stream where the water flow over, get through, and it's deep enough. This one, look at this one. They're like trying to run. So this is not deep enough just by this deep. Then the snails and all small fishes are trying to travel across the water, opposite the water flow. So I think this is my new lesson. You see morning glory? The water morning glories are better for soup, and you can use it as a green vegetable to eat with some spicy stuff like this as well. Maybe I gotta get some of them in here. Have a look. Have a look all around this area. These are morning glory. I'm gonna get it for my food today, the vegetable today. Take them all, only this much. Probably I'm gonna need it now or maybe need it later to cook at my home. These are water morning glory, you can notice, because they all grow like a vine like this, and they bigger size of the tree or of the vine. And the morning glory, they grow it on the plantation or farm. They grow it like straight, like a stick, small stick. This is tastes not better than that one, but this is better for many food. You can cook so many food from them. Guys, this what I get from 30 minutes only, about 30 minutes. Might be faster than you go to the market because you're gonna think what you're gonna cook. And this 30 minutes collected from the organic rice fields and the water in the remote area. Fresh. I'm gonna cook a good food for you, but first gonna wash it. I'm gonna make sure this open head and mouth is clean because we're gonna grill them with the shell. And that's where you put the ingredients in. So I'm gonna make sure this part are washed. And around this area, they have so many water streams like this, they just make it like a ditch. So to keep the main source of water to use in the rice paddy. And these are where the big fish and small fishes and also snails and crabs are. But we only collect the snail. I know what's easy to get and what's easy to cook. Ready, go. After we wash, after we get vegetable, I just trying to looking for somewhere where we can cook our special dish to show you guys. But all these areas are good areas. Just find one solo tree where I can set up my cooker. There's a good breeze outside around the greenery area here. And the reason we're choosing this tree, because I want to show you one more thing as well. I can also eat all of these fruit. So I'm gonna have my dessert from the tree, which also fresh, like that. Here, yummy. These are my dessert, and I can cook under the tree with a good breeze, have a good dish, and have a good dessert. I need to go and find some wood to set up the fire as well. But guys, see this hammock and see this fruit and see the good breeze. Feel good already. Just want to chill and chill. But I gotta cook the food for you. Let's go. Ready? I'm gonna make a grill again using the okay. So I'm gonna tie them like this. I got my wine in my bum bag. I don't have much snail to cook today, so this small grill would. And I want to show you what I got in my bum bag. Just with this bum bag, I can survive for 1 day or 2 if I travel outside of my province. I got this sauce from home. Got some ingredients. Got this. The wire from my bum bag. Try to make. Alright, my cooking toys is ready. Let's go and start cooking. Grill is ready to go on it. Now, time to add our ingredient into it. This sauce is garlicky and spicy with the fish sauce. So sweet and salty, sour, and everything is inside of the snail already. Just want to tell you that, look at the juicy snail. It's not us to put the water in it, but it will dry out while it's cooking. The water will come in out from the snail itself. Look at that. Use the stick, poke it in, and drag it out. This baby one. Oh, here. This one. It overcooked underneath here, so because there's less juice of this snail, I'm gonna eat like that. Juicy and yummy. Yum. Cheers again. The cameraman is now feeling, oh, keep some for me. I said, wait, gotta show you all more. The way you can eat this, you can cut the bottom of it as well, but it's too hot. Just want to show you guys. If you cut the bottom of it, the bottom, you cut it off, you can drag the whole snail from inside. This only half of it. Enjoy the snail with me. Like and comment. Subscribe to my channels, and then you can enjoy more food that organic we can make. Yum! See you on my next video with some special and delicious video next time.